activity and contracts rose following the Thanksgiving holiday. It's Friday, December 9th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. While buyer showing activity is actually down 30.2% from last year this same time, activity did rise 51.6% from 1 week ago. Homes are staying on the market longer and inventory is higher than last week. 40% of active listings have reduced their sales price. Over the past week, new listings to the market rose 26.7 from last week to 1,083 homes for sale. 452 homes are coming soon, falling again this report. 510 went under contract, a 9.9% increase. 776 moved to pending, a 36.37% increase over last week. 1,432 sold, rising to 16 days and dropping to 98.7% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home was in Baltimore's Inner Harbor, Four Seasons high rise for $3,200,000. There are 2,102 rentals offered and holding steady at $2,350 per month, and days rose again this week to 33 days on the market. There is a lot of noise out there, so if you need clarification on your circumstances, I can provide you with the facts, data, the information, and then help bring context to it for you. So let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for December 9th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.